In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Open up TikTok app. Then go to your profile. After that, you need to tap the three lines at the top of the right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Report a Problem. Then tap Account and Profile. After that, tap Editing Profile. Scroll down a bit and tap Other. Now you will be taken to the Report a Problem page. Scroll down a bit and tap Need More Help on the bottom left corner. After that, we need to describe our problem. You can just enter the text here. For example, when registering, I entered the wrong age. Please change my date of birth. And then enter your real date of birth. Keep in mind that you may have to provide proof that your new birth date is correct. Once you're done with that, tap Submit to send this report to TikTok support team. And after some time, they will change your birthday and age. However, there is another way to change your TikTok age. You can simply create a new TikTok account. It is allowed to have multiple TikTok accounts. Just create a new one with your correct age. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video. And see you in the next one.